Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shining Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 7. Today we're going to start clear coating the entire suit. The suit's done, so now I just got to put a few coats of clear coat on there to protect it and also to give it that little extra shine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use like extra layers of clear coat like on the outer arms, the boots, the shoulders, the chest, the back. The backpack might get a couple extra layers of clear coat. And like I said before in my Burning Gundam build series, please, if you're doing any kind of clear coating, take the proper precautions. Wear gloves, wear a respirator, wear goggles. You gotta make sure you protect yourself because I don't want to see anybody getting hurt. Let's get clear coating. Alright, so the entire suit has been clear coated. I used about 3.5 cans of the 2K clear coat. Every piece got at least 2 coats. There's certain pieces that got 3, like the helmet, the face plates, the backpack, the shoulders, the outer forearms, the chest, the back, the front waist, and the boots all got 3 layers just to make those extra shiny. So the next step is I'm going to add padding throughout the suit to make it more comfortable to wear, and also then I'm going to add some vinyl wrapping on there to help prevent any parts from rubbing against each other. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.